Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30 or 50%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to turn off our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the light button. When the menu appears on the screen, select the power off option, then select yes to confirm and turn off the watch. After the watch turns off, we need to turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button, and when the Epix logo appears on the screen, we need to release the light button and press and hold the back/lap button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. So let's turn on the watch. Now press and hold the back button, keep holding it, and when this menu appears on the screen, you can release the back button. As you can see, we're being asked if we want to reset the settings to default. Select yes, and once you see this on the screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.